Hello there. We are going to do another fun holiday look. This time I'm going to use a different palette. This palette is my Tom Ford palette. This is which one is this? This is the Iris Bronze. So I'm going to use this today. I think I might use a little bit more glitter because it's the holidays, girl. It's the holidays. It's going to be really easy. How easy? Really easy. Let's get right into this. I am going to go ahead and by the way, all the rest of my makeup, I'm going to do my brows off camera. I'm going to do my lashes off camera. I did a video on that recently. I want you guys to check it out. So I will either link it up there, or maybe both if YouTube will let me. And then I will put my lipstick on. I'm going to fix my hair. I'm going to look great at the end of the video, so make sure you stay till the end, okay? Let's just do this, girl. Okay, so the first color I'm going to use is this one right here. That is going to be my transition color, This is so, oh my gosh, I love this palette. The colors are light, and you're going to see, do you see that already? How that color gives me that punch already? I don't know if you can see that. Gives you a nice color. So now I am going to go in and I'm going to use this color down here. We're just going to be layering. I'm telling you, this is like, it's almost like 5-minute eyes or something. It's really simple to do. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this color down here. With this color, what I want to do today is I want to bring it in a little bit more than what I normally do. And this up and over. Isn't that pretty? See how that just opens my eye up, lifts my eye up, so pretty. Now I am going to go in with this color first, and this is this color right here. They don't, like I said, they don't have names, so this is that palette, so it's this right here. And I am going to go in with that, did I say E25? I think that's what I said. And I'm going to put this all the way across here. But we're not going to stop there. We're not stopping there. Now we're going to go in, I'm going to take I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus. Let's try this one. Let's do the rose quartz. I hope that's not going to be too, or is that going to be enough? Oh, yeah, I like that. I'm putting it all over. Very pretty. So that's from my Sultry palette. I'm going to go back in with my Tom Ford, and I'm going to take that purpley color down there on my smoky eye brush. I'm going to go right down here. We're going to smoke it out because this is evening. So let me go ahead and do the other eye now. We're going to go in with this color right here. Now we're going to go in with this purple color here. And this is where I need to stretch my eye a little bit because that side likes to sag a little bit more. Now I'm going to go in with my blending brush and we're going to blend that. I mean, this palette on its own could totally do it too, but it's the holiday season, so whoop-de-doo and dickory-dock. Don't forget to hang up your sock. I'm going to go in with this color right here. That looks so pretty. It really works with this. I'm going to go in with that purple color, and we're going to go right here. Go ahead, and I'm only going to line the inside waterline of my eye. Before I let you guys go and I finish the rest of my makeup, I'm going to go ahead and put my lips on. I am using my City Lips, and I'm thinking, boy, like the pink nude, but I might do something. No, it's gonna be too much of my, I think I'm gonna keep it neutral. I don't want too much going on with my lips because I feel like it's all about my eyes. I'm gonna still use my City Lips Pink Nude. I love this, you guys. It is so good. So let me fix the rest of my makeup, which is my lashes, my brows, fix my hair, and I'll be right back. So one last thing that I'm gonna do, I just want to add a little bit of a highlighter right up here. So a couple ways you can do that. You can use a concealer, a light concealer. Use very, very little. I cannot stress that enough. And then you would use, okay, this is dirty, but you would use like an angled brush like this. So you would put a little bit of a highlighter on the back of your hand, and then you would just go right underneath here, and it's just gonna help lift your eye up. Another thing you can do is just to get either a highlighter like these are from Anastasia. I haven't pulled those out in a while. Or you can use like an eye color, and I'm trying to decide which one. I might actually do I think I'm gonna do the Anastasia. Am I saying it right? So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I think it's Marshmallow. Let's see how that is. And I'm using sort of a flat brush too, because what you wanna do is you just wanna get it right here, like right by the arch. And you're just gonna lift the eye up a little bit more. See that? See the difference between the two? You don't want to put it too much, like you don't want to put it up here. You really just want to get it right here, right at the high part of your brow, just like that. That's all you have to do. If you do your highlighter, you can put it right up there. You can, like I said, you can do it all the way around. I shared a video on that too, how to do your brows and do that. So that is it, you guys. This is a really, really pretty holiday look, and I'm gonna show you my top. Got that bling going on. Got that bling. I'm all about the bling. Yeah, this I got at Disney World. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So many of you are not subscribed. It blew my mind. It blew my mind. So please make sure you hit that button below. Click the subscribe button. It's free. I share new videos every single week, Mondays and Fridays. Click on that notification bell too, because anytime I share a new video, you will be notified. And please, like I said, share my videos. Leave me a comment. I always get back to you, and it helps my channel grow. And again, I thank you guys. So before you go, I just want to say how much I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. It means so much to me, and I hope that you always enjoy coming here, you have fun, and that is it. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you real soon. Bye.